If you're paying for Discord Nitro and you no longer want the subscription to renew, canceling it is pretty simple. The important thing is to cancel it from the same type of device or platform where you originally purchased Nitro. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel Discord Nitro on desktop or in a browser, how to cancel it on your phone, and what happens after you cancel. Let's start with Discord on a computer or in a web browser. Open Discord and log into the account that has the Nitro subscription. Then look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click the gear icon to open User Settings. From there, find the Subscription section. You should see your active Nitro or Nitro Basic subscription displayed in a subscription banner. Look for the Cancel option and click it. Discord will then guide you through the cancellation process, so continue through the prompts until the cancellation is confirmed. Once the cancellation is complete, Discord says your Nitro subscription does not normally disappear immediately. Instead, you keep your Nitro benefits until the end of your current billing period. In other words, canceling stops the next renewal. It does not normally remove the remaining time you already paid for. You should also be able to see the date when your subscription will expire in your subscription settings. Now let's look at how to cancel Nitro on a phone. Open the Discord mobile app and tap your avatar in the bottom right corner to open Settings. Then tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. Scroll down to the Billing Settings area and select Manage Nitro. From there, you should see your Nitro subscription and an option to cancel it. Tap Cancel and follow the instructions shown on the screen until Discord confirms that the cancellation has been completed. There's one important detail if you subscribe to Discord Nitro through Apple or Google. If the subscription was purchased through the Apple App Store or Google Play, the cancellation may need to be completed through that store rather than directly through Discord. On an iPhone or iPad, open your Apple subscription settings and find Discord in your active subscriptions, then cancel the subscription there. On Android, if you subscribe through Google Play, open Google Play, go to your subscriptions, select Discord, and confirm the cancellation. Discord specifically notes that subscriptions purchased through a third-party platform need to be canceled through that platform. So, if you open Discord and don't see the cancellation option where you expect it, think about where you originally bought Nitro. If you purchased it through the desktop app or browser, manage it through Discord on desktop or the web. If you purchased it through a mobile device, manage it through the appropriate mobile subscription system. Using the original purchase platform is one of the most important things to remember. Another common question is whether canceling Nitro immediately removes your benefits. In most cases, no. Discord states that once you cancel, your subscription remains active until the end of the current billing period. That means you can continue using your Nitro features until the expiration date shown in your account. After that date, the subscription benefits will end and you will no longer be charged for the next billing period. If you change your mind after canceling, Discord also allows you to reactivate the subscription before the current billing period ends. Look for the option to resubscribe in your subscription settings. If you reactivate before the billing period finishes, your pending cancellation can be reversed. Once the subscription period has ended, you would generally need to purchase Nitro again. And if you can't access your Discord account, there is still an option. Discord says that if you're unable to log in and cancel the subscription yourself, you can contact its billing support team. If the purchase was made through Apple, however, Discord says Apple must handle the cancellation because Apple manages that subscription. One more thing. Canceling Nitro is different from canceling a server boost, server subscription, or premium app subscription. If you're trying to stop one of those separate subscriptions, make sure you cancel the correct subscription rather than assuming canceling Nitro will cancel everything associated with your account. So, the quick idea is this. Open Discord, go to User Settings, find your subscription settings, choose Cancel, and follow the prompts. If you bought Nitro through Apple or Google Play, cancel it through the store where you made the purchase. And remember, after canceling, your Nitro benefits normally continue until the end of the current billing period. If this video helped you cancel Discord Nitro, give it a quick like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. And if you're having trouble finding the cancel option, leave a comment telling me whether you're using Discord on Windows, Mac, iPhone, or Android, and I'll help you find the right setting.